Hi everyone and welcome back to another Blockman Go video. So this is actually my second Skyblock giveaway video. In the first one I was a big noob. I always wanted to do a Skyblock giveaway video, but I want something different. I want something that has never been done and something that's a bit of a surprise. So I decided in South Africa we had this TV program, it's a game show called Pick a Box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put down 10 chests. As soon as someone visits my island, and I was hoping that it was noobs, but that would have taken forever, so I just gave the guys that came to my island the opportunity to pick a box. He doesn't know what's inside. I won't show you guys what's inside until the box is chosen. Yeah, so this is my Skyblock giveaway video, and guys, I want to thank you so much. I've got 422 subscribers. That's unbelievable. I never thought I would have more than 25 subscribers, and also now at the moment I have 22,000 views. I'm so happy about that. Thank you guys so much. Then also stay tuned until the end of the video, because one of these boxes will have a scroll inside, but this scroll is not necessarily a scroll, it is something else, but I will only tell you that at the end of the video. So let's go into the video, guys, and enjoy the video.
You're a loser.
That's pretty good.
You're a loser. Say what?
You were the chosen one!
I'm not playing these games. I'm not playing these games. I'm not playing these games.
Anakin, you're breaking my heart.
This is getting out of hand. Now there are two of them.
Since we are at the end of this video, I have to reveal what that scroll is, but I'm not going to yet. Firstly, I want to thank everyone that donated any items on my island ever. I do not trade at all, I do not duplicate. I use donated items like this to put in videos like these. If you do have any extra items that you do want to donate and help some other players out, please donate to me. I will put it in chest and I will do videos like this. Then also a tip, because you watched until the end of this video, whenever you come to my Skyblock island, always pick chest number 3, 4 or 9. 3 because my father was born in March, and then 4 and 9 because my birthday is on the 9th of April. Okay, so those two scrolls are 300 GQ pop-ups. So congratulations to Phoenix Mage and to Nightkiller. If you're an international player, I'm struggling with Photoshop at the moment, please provide me with your PayPal link. I'll pay the equal amount of 300 G-Cubes into your PayPal account. Then also, guys, please comment down below what you would like in a chest like this. Then please leave a like, and thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you all. Goodbye.